All right, good morning, everyone. Um, Today we'll be talking about comparing fractions. How do we compare fractions? How do you know if a fraction is larger than another fraction? It's easy to know. We've done this before, how to compare fractions. Now, let's take a look at this example 4 over 6 and 4 over 12. Now, if the denominators are the same, then it will be easy to tell, oh, this is greater than this. But if you have different denominators, then you have to change those denominators into like fractions, change those fractions to like fractions, meaning that they should have the same denominators. So for example, the first thing you do, the first step to do this is looking for the LCM. The LCM of 6 and 12 is 12. If you look for the LCM, I believe you know how to do that. And so now that we have the LCM to be 12, you look at it, 6 times what? Now when I say what, I mean a factor of 12. A factor of 12. 6 times what will give you 12. That's 2. Then multiply both the denominator and the numerator by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. 6 times 2 is 12. It's important to do not leave your fraction like that. You should divide it to the lowest. So what will go in both? 4 is a common factor of both. So 4 in 8 is 2, 4 in 12 is 3. Now if you do the same for 4 over 12, that's the second fraction, 4 over 12. So this is the denominator 12 and our LCM is 12. 12 times what will give you 12. So 12 times 1 is 12. So multiply both the denominator and the numerator with the same number. So that will be 12 times 1 and 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 12 times 1 is 12. Divide it to the lowest likewise. The common factor between 4 and 12 is 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we can see that 2 over 3 is greater than 1 over 3. Any like fraction, when I say like fraction, I mean fractions that have the same denominator. Any like fraction, whenever we have the same denominator, it makes it like fraction. Therefore, the one that has the bigger number is the biggest. It is the largest. So therefore, if 2 over 3 is the same thing as 4 over 6, that means 4 over 6 is greater than 4 over 12. Now, there's another way to do this that I want to show you. All right, let's look at another way to go about this. This is a faster method, but I will advise you to use both methods. In fact, you can even use the first method to help you to know more. Okay, let's continue. So, the second method to get which fraction is the largest, let's look at it this way. 4 times 12. 4 times 12 is what? 4 times 12 is 48. Let's write 48 here. And the second one, 6 times 4. 6 times 4 is what? 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. I'll write 24 here. Now, as we can see, 48 is bigger than 24. 48 is larger than 24. That means 4 over 6 is greater than 4 over 12. So you put the sign, you put the greater than sign in between. Remember, the right elbow shows the greater than sign. So you put the greater than sign in between. Very simple. Then you are done. So that's how to do it. If you have further questions, please feel free to ask me and do your classwork on time. Thank you.